welcome to GSM Exchange Distribution Pavilion at GITEX 2022. Please introduce yourself and your company.
I am Prashant Bora from Bora Multicorp. I would like to tell you guys that we have achieved a big feat last month. We have achieved a sales turnover of more than $42 million in the month of September 2022. It is the highest ever business we have done in a single month so far.
Which products and services do you cater in the industry?
Bora Multicorp, it is a group of companies. We are into diversified activities in telecom, right from manufacturing of mobile phone accessories like chargers and power banks. Then we are into distribution business for some mobile phone brands. And then we are having a huge international trading business. Last year we did close to $150 million turnover. This year we are doing really well. We already crossed $175 million in the first 6 months of this financial year.
The most challenging aspect of wholesale is to have available stock. How do you cope with that in your company?
The business in India is growing a lot because the manufacturing in India is growing at a very good rate, and more brands are coming to India and manufacturing goods in India. And as India is a growing market, we are not facing much challenge with the availability of stocks, and we are able to fetch good quantities from the Indian market predominantly.
In which regions do you mainly operate, and did you expand them in the past year?
We are based in China. We have offices in various cities in India, and we are also based in Dubai. And we are planning to expand to some other regions also. So though we are having base in these 3 countries, we are doing business all across the globe. We have our customers in Latin America, some European countries, and Middle East and Africa as well.
Which top brands are you working with?
Main brands are Apple and Samsung. Xiaomi business has come down a little bit as compared to last year, but Apple business has grown like anything. Last month we did more than $20 million worth of Apple iPhones from India.
Can you share with us your experience with GSM Exchange platform? How have you been using it to grow your business?
And it has benefited us in a huge way, and certainly it is one of the main factors that we could grow our business so well in last couple of years. So we would like to thank GSM Exchange once again for all the support they have extended to us.
And last but not least, how has been your experience with GSM Exchange Distribution Pavilion so far at GITEX 2022?
This year's GITEX is really good. The overall response is overwhelming. I would say that there are clients and the potential customers from all across the globe, not only from Dubai or Middle East. So we are very happy with the overall turnout here. And I think it's an amazing event, very well organized by GSM Exchange. I would like to congratulate the team of GSM Exchange and Assam especially.